for a change. Yes, that is yam in English. Ingredients. Group A. 1 cup yam cut into centimeter cubes, yam, chena, ratlu in Hindi. 1 cup beetroot cut into centimeter cubes. A quarter cup ginger strands thinly sliced approximately ½ inch in length. One cup ripe red tomatoes cut into pieces. 1 cup onion cut into pieces. 2 or 3 green chilies, adjust up or down according to taste but preference. Group C. 5 tablespoons of cooking oil, odorless. 1 bay leaf. A quarter teaspoon ginger garlic paste. A half teaspoon coriander powder. A quarter teaspoon garam masala powder, optional. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. A half teaspoon spicy red chili powder, adjust up or down according to taste but preference. 2 tablespoons non-spicy red chili powder, Kashmiri. Salt to taste, adjust according to preference. Group D. 1 cup thick coconut milk. I used a Maggi sachet. 1 cup water-soaked cashew nuts to make paste. Fresh coriander leaves to garnish. 1 tablespoon cream to garnish, Amul or Milky Mist or equivalent. Squeezed juice of a lemon to add on top of the dish. Method. Remove the skin from the yam or chena and wash thoroughly. Cut into centimeter cubes to fill 1 cup. Remove the skin from the beetroot and wash thoroughly. Cut into centimeter cubes to fill 1 cup. Remove the skin from the ginger and wash thoroughly. Cut into ½ inch long thin strands to fill ½ a cup. Cook items in Group A in a pressure cooker up to 2 whistles. Allow time to cool. Prepare items in Group B and keep ready. Group C. Starting from 5 tablespoons of oil, add ingredients into a frying pan in the listed order and saute under a small flame. Keep stirring to avoid sticking and charring. When all starts to separate from the mix and begin floating to the top, turn off the flame and let cool. Pour the mix into a blender and run until the consistency is that of a paste. Pour the Group C paste back into the fry pan. Turn the flame very low. Add the Group D ingredients in the listed order over the paste and stir gently. Pour into a serving dish and enjoy chena for a change along with naan, chapati or buns.